Hello everyone, let's continue with the next DFA. So construct the minimal DFA. Next one is construct minimal DFA. Minimal DFA. Construct minimal DFA which will accept all the strings which will accept which will accept all the strings which will accept all the strings where number of a in the strings equal to w, right? Number of a in the string w, okay, number of a in string w equal to 2. Okay, so number of a in string w equal to 2 over the alphabets, over the alphabet a comma b, over the alphabet a comma b. Okay, so can you tell me what will be the language, what will be the string in the language, string in the language, can you tell me? Yes, what will be the string in the language? Okay, that can be double A, double B. Yeah, double B is not possible. I think double B is not possible in this language. Yeah, Anu, that may be right. Let's see. So here it is constructing the minimal DFA. Yes, construct the minimal DFA which will accept all the string, which will accept all the string where number of a in W is equal to 2, means string में number of a कितने होंगे, that will be 2, that is exactly 2. number of a in W is exactly 2. तो कोई भी string लेंगे उसमें क्या होना चाहिए, number of a 2 times होना ही चाहिए, right? That must be inside that language. Okay, so that can be double a, or that can be double a b, that can be b double a. Okay, that can be b double a, or that can be a b a, right? And that can be double a double b, or it can be 4 time a, it can be 4 time a, or it can be double a then ab, and so on, right? So it will take all the strings where number of a's are 2, and it can be any combination, right? Number of a in strings that is equal to exactly equal to 2. So these are the strings. Then can you tell me what are the number of state in the machine or DFA? What are the number of state in the DFA? Okay, only two states. I think it is not possible by two states. It will take more than two states. Okay, let's see. Let me construct the machine. So here to construct the machine, we'll look for the acceptance of minimal strings. Acceptance of minimal string. So what is the minimal string? That is a AA. AA, that is the minimal string. So we'll look about this one. We'll look for the acceptance of AA. Let's see. Here it is the initial state. Let me say Q naught, and after that from this Q naught, by reading A, it is going to next state, that is Q1, and after this one it will read again A and go to state Q2, and Q2, let me say it is final state. So here it is accepting AA. Okay, so here it is accepting AA. Okay, then you try to observe these patterns. So here double A, after that B is possible, or initially B can be possible, or after that double A, or in between B is possible, or after 2A 2B is possible, and so on. It means here, or you can think like, we have we have transition for A on state Q naught. On state Q naught we have transition for A. What about B? Can we take loop here? Can we take this loop? Is it possible? Yes. It is possible. How? Because in starting there may be the single B, after that there can be the double A. So in starting it will read B and it will go to Q naught. After that by reading A it will go to Q1. After that by reading A it will go to Q2, and it is accepting this string. It is possible. So in starting there can be the multiple B also. Yes. After that 2 times A. Yes. So firstly it will read multiple B's, and after that it will read A and go to Q1. After that it will read A and go to Q2. Q2 is the final state. It means this loop is valid, right? This loop is valid. And what about dead configuration? Is here dead configuration? No. No dead configuration at this place. Why? Because there is a transition for B, also it is a transition for A. यानी कि दोनों अल्फाबेट्स के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग क्या हो रहा है? ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है. इट मीन्स नो डेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑन Q नॉट. Yes. What about next one? Is there any dead configuration on Q1? Tell me. Is there any dead configuration on Q1? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. There is a dead configuration on Q1 due to transition of B, because here there is a transition for A but there is a no transition for B. It means we require the transition for B. Can I take loop of B here? Yes. Can I take loop of B? Okay, let me check. So here this string is possible in the language. It is A, then in between B, after that A. So here it is A, after that B, after that A. Let's see. So what we'll do? Initially it is A. So from Q naught by reading A, we are going to Q1, and from Q1 by reading B one time, we are on Q1. Okay. After that by reading A we are on Q2, and Q2 is the final state, and it is accepting, right? So this is the valid one. What about next one? Is there possibility of multiple B here, right? So is there any possibility of multiple B? Yes, it is possible, because what is the language? Number of A in W equal to exactly 2. So number of A are exactly 2. उसके बाद B कितने भी हो सकते हैं, right? B कितने भी हो सकते हैं, because there is no restriction over B. So it is also the valid string. Now will it is accept this string? Will it accept this string? Let me check. So here it is A. So from Q naught by reading A we are on Q1. After that it is B, multiple B. Yes, we can read multiple time B. Yes, we can read multiple time B here. Okay. So it is also the possible case. After that it will read A and it will go to Q2. It will go to Q2 and it will accept the string, this one. Okay, so is it clear till this part? Yes, is it clear till this part? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next thing. Next thing, what about Q2? Q2, on Q2, is there any dead configuration? Yes, there is a dead configuration. Why? Because there is no transition for A and B on the Q2. Okay, तो स्टेट Q2 पे कोई भी ट्रांजिशन नहीं है A और B के लिए. Okay, then what will happen? Can I take the loop of B here? Can I take the loop of B here? Is it possible? So we'll have to observe the string. Yes, after 2 times A there can be the multiple B. After 2 times A, there can be the multiple B, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and so on. So we can take loop here. Yes, it is valid, not a problem, because यहाँ से A रीड करेंगे और यहाँ से A रीड करेंगे और फाइनल स्टेट पे चले जाएंगे. फाइनल स्टेट पे कितने भी B आ जाएं उनको एक्सेप्ट करेगा, राइट? सो इट इज द वैलिड केस. So B is valid. What about the transition of A? A का transition क्या होगा? Can I take the loop of A? Yes, tell me. Can I take the loop of A? ओके, यहाँ पे लूप ले सकते हैं. ओके, तो क्या होगा अगर हमने यहाँ पे A का लूप लिया? What will happen? Let's see. So if we are taking loop here, so initially it will read A. Here also it will read A, means 2 times A. After that, what will happen? After 2 times A, again it can read, let me say it is reading B. B read कर लिया, multiple B read कर लिया. But उसके बाद क्या हो सकता है? There is a chance of multiple A also, single A और multiple A. इसका मतलब हुआ कि लैंग्वेज में क्या बोला गया है? नंबर ऑफ A in W equal to 2 means exactly 2 A. बट यहाँ पे तो क्या हो गए? A's are 5 times. Yes, am I audible? Yes, am I audible? Okay, I think this is the problem from your end, Mukesh. Okay, fine. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? हमें तो क्या चाहिए? Exactly 2A, लेकिन यहाँ पे कितने आ रहे हैं? 5 टाइम A. और इस स्ट्रिंग को क्या करेगा? ये एक्सेप्ट करेगा. ये वाला DFA क्या करेगा? एक्सेप्ट करेगा. और ये स्ट्रिंग कहाँ पे बिलोंग नहीं करती है? लैंग्वेज से. और ये स्ट्रिंग अगर बिलोंग नहीं करती है लैंग्वेज से और ये क्या कर रहा है? एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये DFA वैलिड नहीं है. इट मीन्स वी कैन नॉट टेक द लूप हियर, है ना? तो इसका लूप पॉसिबल नहीं है, यहाँ पे लूप नहीं ले सकते. तो फिर यहाँ से क्या लग रहा है? यहाँ से हमें ये लग रहा है कि जब भी A आएगा तो A कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए? दैट शुड गो टू डेड स्टेट और वी कैन से ट्रैप स्टेट. तो A कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए? ट्रैप स्टेट में. बिकॉज 2 टाइम्स A आने के बाद एक भी A हमें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना है, राइट? आफ्टर 2 टाइम्स A विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी A. सो from this one we'll go to trap state. We'll go to trap state or dead state, and on dead state or trap state there is no acceptance, right? So here by reading A we'll go to trap state. After that, if it is A is coming or B is coming, will be on trap state. ठीक है? After that, if A is coming or it is a B coming, we will be on trap state, means it will not accept the string, right? So finally this is the minimal DFA. Now you can check. Okay, so this string is what? Wrong. And this one is also wrong, because we can take exactly 2 time a, so these strings are wrong. ठीक है ना? तो ये strings क्या होंगी यहाँ पे? wrong होगी, because we can take exactly 2 times a और exactly 2 times yes, exactly 2 times a, और यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है? 3 times, means this string is not valid. What about this string also not valid. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है? a 4 टाइम b और 2 टाइम्स b, आफ्टर दैट a, इट इज द वैलिड एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह की स्ट्रिंग्स क्या होंगी? वैलिड होंगी, जिसमें केवल 2 बार a होगा. Okay, now you can verify. You can take any string and you can check that it will accept all the strings which belongs to the language. ठीक है, तो ये डीएफए क्या करेगा? ये एक्सेप्ट करेगा सारी की सारी स्ट्रिंग्स जो लैंग्वेज से बिलोंग करेंगी, और कोई स्ट्रिंग जो आउटसाइड लैंग्वेज है उसको क्या करेगा? एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. लेट्स सी, let me see. Here it is a b and a. Okay, so this is the string outside of language, because 3 times a आ रहा है, उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. Let me verify. So here it is 1 time a. 1 time a means इनिशियल स्टेट से स्टार्ट किया, यहाँ से a रीड किया और कहाँ पे चले गए? Q1 पे चले गए. नेक्स्ट टाइम ए. नेक्स्ट टाइम ए का मतलब Q1 से ए को रीड किया. ए रीड करने के बाद कहाँ पे? Q2 पे. उसके बाद बी रीड किया. यस, यहाँ से बी रीड किया. बी रीड किया और Q2 पे है. उसके बाद क्या किया? ए रीड किया. ए रीड करने के बाद कहाँ चले गए? ए रीड किया, उसके बाद चले गए ट्रैप स्टेट पे, और ट्रैप स्टेट पे चले गए तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? देयर इज नो एक्सेप्टेंस. ट्रैप स्टेट क्या है? डेड स्टेट है, यहाँ पे एक्सेप्टेंस होगा नहीं. राइट, इट मीन्स इट विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट दिस स्ट्रिंग, और इसको एक्सेप्ट करना भी नहीं चाहिए था, बिकॉज ये क्या है? स्ट्रिंग बिलोंग नहीं करती है लैंग्वेज से. राइट, फाइनली इट इज वेरीफाइड, दिस डीएफए इज वर्किंग वेल. Right, so finally this is the final DFA, and it is the minimal DFA. It means there will be the 4 number of states, so number of states will be 4 here. ठीक है, number of states that are 4. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes, till this part it is clear or not? Clear? Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next machine. So here again the same story, construct the minimal DFA and all. Okay, उसके बाद क्या होगा? That number of a in W, number of a in W, or number of a in string. Okay, so number of a in W is at least 2. Number of a in W is at least 2. So we can say here it is number of a in W that is greater than equal to 2. At least 2 means that is greater than equal to 2. Okay, so this is the language given. For this language, what are the strings possible? Can you tell me? What are the strings possible for this language? Okay, 2 times a, 3 times a, 4 times a, and so on. Okay, that may be right. 2 times a, 3 times a, 4 times a, and so on, all combinations. Yeah, that may be the right. Let's see. So here number of a in w that is greater than equal to 2, इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ, that number of a in w is at least 2. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ ए एटलीस्ट 2 का मतलब हुआ कि कम से कम 2 ए होंगे, 2 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, और ए और बी का कोई कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, बट कम से कम 2 ए तो होने ही चाहिए, है ना. सो एटलीस्ट 2 ए शुड बी देयर. सो इट कैन बी डबल ए, or it can be double a b, or it can be a b a, or it can be b double a. After that it can be 3 time a, or it can be 3 time a and b, or it can be a b a b, right, and so on. Such type strings will be there in which number of a's are 2, or it can be 3, number of a's can be 4, and any combination with number of a's 2, number of a's 3 and all. Okay, तो इस तरह के सारे combination बनेंगे. Now can you tell me how many states will be there? Number of state for this language. Number of states, that is 3. Yeah, that may be the right answer. Let's see. Yeah, that may be 3. Okay, let's see. So firstly we'll look for the acceptance of the minimal string. So minimal is aa. Aa means here it is initial state, let me say q naught. After that we'll read a and we'll go to next state, here it is q1, and from this one again I will read a and go to the final state, that is q2, and at the final state it will accept aa. तो यहाँ पे क्या accept होगा, aa को accept करेंगे. Yes. What about next thing? Next thing we'll observe that there is a dead configuration at q naught due to the transition of b. So can I take the loop of b here? Can I take the loop of b here? So we'll observe the pattern. So in starting there can be the any number of b possible. Yes, initially it can be b, after that a, initially it can be b or double b, after that can be aa or double a or triple a. So here it is possible, in starting there can be the multiple number of b's or single b. So this b is valid here. What about next one? On q naught there is a dead configuration due to the transition of b. So can I take loop again here? Okay, let me take loop. If we take loop of b here, so what will happen? So initially it can read a, it will read a, after that it will read b, after that it will read a and go to the final state and it will accept. Yes, so this string belongs to the language, it is the valid one. What about next one? In starting it will read a, after that it will read multiple b, after that it will read a, and it is possible or not? Let's see. So initially it will read a from this one. Yes, after that it will go to q1. From q1 it can read the multiple b. Yes, there is a loop and it can read the multiple b's, right? There is a loop, it can read multiple b's. After that what will happen? After that there is a, so here it will read a and go to the q2, and q2 is the final state, means it will accept this string. So this loop of b is valid here. What about this one? On final state there is a dead configuration due to the transition of a and b. Can I take the loop of a? Can I take the loop of a here? So there can be the multiple a's. Yes, triple a is possible, 4 time a is possible. So we can take the loop of this one. because firstly it will read a from this one and a from this one and will go to the final state, and at final state there can be the multiple number of a's, multiple a's. So it is possible. Can I take the loop of b also? Yes, we can take the loop of b also, because after 2 times a there can be the multiple b, multiple a, or any combination of a b, because it is at least 2 means there should be at least 2a. After that there can be the any combination a b, a b, and so on. So it can be the any combination, so we'll take this one. So finally there is a node add configuration at q0, node add configuration at q1, node add configuration at q2. And another thing, there is a no choice, there is no null move. Finally we can say this is the minimal dfa. This is the minimal dfa which will accept all the strings that belongs to the language. Now tell me, is it clear till this part or not? Yes, is it clear till this part or not? Clear? Okay, fine. And you can verify the other string also that doesn't belongs to the language. Let me say here a and b. AB is the string which doesn't belongs to the language. It means this dfa should not accept this string. Let me check. So initially here it is a, so we'll read a from q0, we'll read a and go to q1. Okay, after that we'll read b, so we'll read b from this one. Okay, b from this loop, and we are on q1, and q1 is not a final state. It means it will not accept this string, and this string doesn't belongs to the language, means it should not accept that string. So finally we can conclude that it is the valid dfa, right? So finally we can say this is the minimal dfa for number of a are at least 2, number of a are at least 2. Yes, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next one. So we have seen the number of a in w, that is exactly equal to 2. And next thing, we have seen the number of a in w, that is at least 2, number of a in w, that is at least 2. After that we'll see the number of a, that is at most, okay, number of a in strings are at most 2. Let's see next one. Next one is number of a in w, that is less than equal to 2, right? Number of a in w, that is less than equal to 2. It means number of a in w, that is at most 2, right? So we can say at most 2a. Okay, at most 2a. So what will be the language, or we can say what will be the string in the language? Yes, tell me, what are the string in the language? Okay, at most 2a. Okay, that can be the single, double a. Yeah, there can be the 0a, there can be the 1a, or there can be 2a's. Yes, so here we can say that number of a's that can be at most 2. at most 2 means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हो सकती हैं, 2 ए हो सकती हैं. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, कम से कम 0 हो सकती है, एक ए हो सकता है, दो ए हो सकते हैं, और बी पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. देर मे बी एनी नंबर ऑफ बीज, देर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ओवर द बी. So we can say here it is a number of a that can be 0. 0 means there can be the single b, there can be double b, triple b, and so on. After that there can be 1a. 1a means it can be single a, it can be ab, or it can be a double b, right, and so on. After that there can be 2a. 2a means it can be double a, it can be double a then b, it can be b double a, or it can be a b a, and so on, right. And after that, is it possible triple a? Triple a, that is not possible because at most 2a. Okay, so these are the strings, or this is the pattern for the string. Now how many states will be there? How many states will be there in the DFA, minimal DFA, we can say? Number of states in the minimal DFA for the given language. Okay, two states, that I think it is not right. Two states, let's verify. So here it can be the single b, it can accept double b, it can be, yeah, four that may be. So it can accept single b, double b, triple b, and so on. It means we'll take the initial state q naught, and we can take the loop of b. Yes, there can be the loop of b, and it can be the final state. Final state means it can accept null also. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे नल भी एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज नल में भी क्या होगा, जीरो लेंथ, जीरो नंबर ऑफ ए और जीरो नंबर ऑफ बी, बिकॉज बी पे तो कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. सो देर कैन बी द जीरो नंबर ऑफ बी, जीरो नंबर ऑफ ए मीन्स नल. So null is possible. After that there can be b, one time loop, two time loop means 2b, three time loop means 3b, and so on. Okay, after that, what will happen? There can be the single a, or there can be the double a. Let me say single a. Single a means this is the state q1 and this is also the final state, so it will accept a also, single a. Okay, so it will accept a also. And here it is a double a also. Double a means we'll take another state, that is q2, and will make this state as final state. It means it will accept two time a also. तो ये क्या accept करेगी? It will accept two time a, right? Now we'll check for the dead configuration. Here there is a dead configuration on q1. यहाँ पे तो नहीं है, b का ट्रांजिशन भी है, a का भी है. What about q1? There is a dead configuration. So can I take the loop of b here? Yes. Can I take the loop of b? So in between there can be the multiple b's. After a there can be the multiple b's or not? Yes. After a there can be the multiple b. Yes, it will read a. After that multiple b's. After that it will read a and go to final state, and it is accepting. So this is the valid one. Okay, after that what will happen? So here 2 times a. 2 times a means a cannot be more than 2, है ना. a क्या नहीं हो सकती, दो से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, डेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. देर so we require the transition for a and b. So can I take the loop of this one? Can I take the loop of b here? Yeah, a may go to the trap state, that may be the right one. Yes, we'll take the loop of here. Yes, After that, what will happen? If we take the loop here, so it can be a, after that there can be the multiple b's. Yes, it is possible. तो ये केस क्या रहेगा? पॉसिबल केस रहेगा. it means it means after this one there can be the multiple b's. Yes, this is the possible case. Okay, what about a? If a is coming, let me say it is 2 times a, after that there is multiple b's, and after that a is coming, so a becomes 3 times, और 3 times a नहीं ले सकते because it doesn't belongs to the language, है ना? So there cannot be 3 times a. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? We'll have to take ट्रैप स्टेट, बिकॉज इसके बाद क्या नहीं कर सकते, दो 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 ए के बाद हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, थर्ड ए को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स इट विल गो टू द ट्रैप स्टेट और डेड स्टेट. So by reading a, it will go to the trap state, and on trap state, if a is coming or b is coming, it will go to the trap state. Finally, we can check that there is no dead configuration, no choice, or you can check there is no null move. Finally, this is the minimal DFA. ठीक है, तो फाइनली ये क्या है? दिस इज द मिनिमल DFA फॉर द गिवन language. For the given language, this is the minimal DFA, and you can verify any string that belongs to the language, it will accept. Okay, so you can verify any string which belongs to the language, it will accept, or you can verify any string which doesn't belongs to the language, it will not accept. Okay, so finally we can say this is the minimal DFA. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Okay, fine.